Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to clear text in Photoshop. I already insert this type two type text, type on text and type 2 for original text. You can use for any image, any document or clear this text. Okay. Okay. Then select the text, filter, sharpen, unsharp, mask and change the radius. See this clear text. Apply another way. Hold Control, select the text and select text color. Any color I use white color. This hold Alter, press backspace. Press Ctrl S. Then see this clear text and clear another type text. Double click. See the sharp, non, strong and smooth. Strong, sharp, non. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.